Hello everyone, touchdown in Busan. And just like that, we have landed in Busan during nighttime. Weather check, ice cold, greeted by the crisp winter air. The excitement through the roof. Winter in Busan, here we come. New city, new adventure. It's our very first time here in Busan, and I can already tell it's going to be super fun. First things first, let's grab our luggage and hit the ATM for some local currency. Always handy to have cash on hand for those spontaneous street food cravings. For DIY travelers like us, we took a bus ride. It's always cheaper. Plus, it's like a mini sightseeing tour before we even check in. And now we are heading to our home for the night, MS Hotel. Wow. The hotel is situated just steps away from Haeundae Beach. Pro tip, we booked this at the Agoda app, and surprisingly, we got a big discount, like 10% off just by using Agoda promo code 𝗕𝗨𝗦𝗔𝗡𝗘𝗞𝗟𝗢𝗢. Why pay more when you can pay less, right? Here's our hotel room tour in MS Hotel. Let's go! Let's see what our standard room looks like. The moment we walk in, boom, super clean, modern, and surprisingly spacious. We've got a queen-size bed with crisp white linens and pillows. And now this is the highlight. Right by the window, we have a small desk facing the beach. Perfect for sipping coffee while watching the waves. Imagine waking up, opening the curtains, and seeing Haeundae Beach in all its glory. Wow. It's the kind of view that makes you want to extend your stay here. Going back to the room tour, there's a big flat screen TV loaded with Korean channels, body mirror, mini fridge, electric kettle, and some complimentary bottled water inside the fridge. And there's also a wardrobe cabinet. And look what we found. There's the bathroom. Now for the bathroom, it's compact but has everything you need. A walk-in shower with great water pressure, fresh towels, and essential toiletries like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. But the real MVP here, a heated toilet seat. Trust me, in winter, that's a game changer. There's also a complimentary sleeper so you don't have to walk on cold floors, a hair dryer for a quick fix, and even a lotion in sachets to keep your skin hydrated. And of course, I cannot wait to see the beach side. Let's go! People say that beach is only for summer. But have you tried walking on Haeundae Beach in winter? The sound of the waves, the crisp, chilly breeze, and the K-drama aesthetic. It's a whole vibe. It's peaceful here, less crowded, and honestly, the best time to take in the ocean views without sweating through your jacket. Alright, let's talk about the food. Just downstairs, we've got 7-Eleven for quick snacks, Composed Coffee for a caffeine fix. There's a Red Door Chinese restaurant if you're craving something savory. Feeling extra hungry, there's an American burger joint right outside too. But if you're up for a late night tteokbokki run, the Haeundae Town Market nearby has all the Korean street food you could ask for. Traveling with kids, no worries. Sea Life Busan Aquarium is literally just across the street. And trust me, it's not just for kids. On the other side, it's just a short walk away. You'll find some of your favorite fast food shops like Starbucks, McDonald's, Mom's Touch and Pizza, and Holy's Coffee. We're only halfway through our Busan adventure. If you're planning to stay at Busan, make sure to book MS Hotel on Agoda. And please use my promo code 𝗕𝗨𝗦𝗔𝗡𝗏𝗢 for exclusive discounts. Thank you so much for watching.